What's up, gang? Coming to you today, a little update on a project I got going on. Haven't really talked a whole lot about it, but check this out. This is a 1973 Honda CB350 Twin. Candy gold is the color, all original tank, all original seat. This thing hasn't been touched. It's got 12,000 miles on it, roughly, give or take. Just got it a couple weeks ago. I've been working on it, polishing things up, cleaning things up. Had a little bit of rust on the center stand, but that's been taken care of. If you know anything about these bikes, they're definitely worth more. Not as common if they are completely intact or they've not been modified. There's a new clutch cable, new brake cable. The brakes were replaced 2 years ago. Kind of doesn't do it justice, but may look a little rough here, but surprisingly clean in person. Those are the original shocks on the back. We polished those up. We've taken quite a few things off and cleaned them up. You know, they say they don't make them like they used to. Ain't that the truth? But she's still running. We've got it started with some starter fluid a couple times, so she's definitely going to crank over once we put it back together. The original seat. It actually came with two different mufflers, so this is the one that came with it, and polished this up a little bit. Could use a little bit more polish. This particular muffler is a Mac, as the guy actually gave. We opened up the box, it was brand new. The OEM style exhaust on there. He just went ahead and threw that in with the sail, which was pretty cool. Here's the tank, candy gold, just beautiful condition. There's a chip right here that's gone. That's pretty much the only blemish on this tank. You know, it's got the chrome strip on the bottom, that's not falling off. It's just a gorgeous tank on this bike. There's the headers. Those got polished up. Those look really nice. She's not a lot to look at right now, but I got a feeling she's gonna rip once we get done with her. Get a video of it running. Hopefully it runs. Let's put it back together.